Hello everyone, this is Ved Prakash and today I am here to talk to all my young friends out there. I don't know what will be the reach of this video, but I hope and wish that it reaches out to the maximum number of you all. Friends, we are a Delhi-based phygital educational organization, and when I say phygital, I mean we give classes online on our platform as well as we teach at our center in Delhi. Students, you already know that your education, your learning, your studies forms the most important part of your life. It gives the direction of your future, it gives the path of your future. It clears the vision, it clears the direction of your future. And we are here just for that. We are here to help you clear that path. We are here to help you clear your vision for your future. Students, the second most important thing is that what we have seen is students, when they start studying any subject, initially they find it really interesting. They want to learn, they start revising their subjects, but gradually what we see, the students kind of start losing interest in it. Firstly, they start losing in the chapter, and then gradually they start losing in the subject only, and that subject being one of the most important ones. And then what do they study for? They just do it for the sake of it, so that they can score marks at the end of the year. So student, we are here to avoid that also for you. We are here to make your studies more interesting for you and definitely not boring. We are here to make your learning more fruitful for you and also for your overall development. Currently, we are dealing with students from classes 6 to 12 in all the subjects, of course. One simple promise that we make to you is that you will never find your studies boring. You will actually enjoy your learning and you will actually fulfill the basic purpose of education. That is skillful learning and learning with enjoyment. We are here for your overall development to make you a better person. Students, you will have live classes every day. You will have recorded classes, tons of different interesting things, tons of assignments, questions of various levels which you will enjoy doing. You will never find anything boring over here, which will also enhance your education level and your intellect level. Students, we are also here to build up your confidence so that you do not lose out in public. And confidence these days is the most important thing out there, and students require the most of it. So students, rush towards us and let's embark on this journey of lifetime learning friendship. Welcome to Neelam Gurukul.